How do I switch from e-filing to file by mail on TurboTax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you cannot e-file your tax return, you'll need to print and mail it instead. For security reasons, TurboTax cannot mail your return to you or the IRS. If you don't have a printer, you can print your tax return at a library, a print and ship store, or a friend's home. Before you print, make sure Adobe Reader is installed on your computer because you will need it to print your return. Most computers already have it. Now you have to go to turbotax.com from any computer with a printer and sign into your account. Then click to open your return. And after the screen loads, select File. When you get to the e-file screen, click Change and select File by Mail. Then follow the instructions and your return will open in Adobe Reader. You can print from here or save a copy to print from another computer. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.